Replacing service disks. Replace service disks during off-peak hours, because the replacement will compromise system performance. Locate the service disk that you want to replace. Required tools include ESD cups or ESD wrist straps, and ESD bags. Before replacing service disks, wear an ESD wrist strap to prevent personal injury and device damage caused by static electricity. Remove the service disc. Gently push the spring plate that secures the handle of the service disc. The handle automatically opens. Hold the handle and pull the disc out 3 cm from the storage node. Wait at least 30 seconds until the disc stops spinning, and then remove it from the storage node. Put the removed disc into an ESD bag. Install a service disc. Take the replacement disc out of its ESD bag. Fully open the disc handle and slide the disc into the storage node until it snaps into place. Close the handle to secure the disc. Wait 3 minutes and check whether the disc is running properly by observing its indicators. If the active indicator of the disc is steady on, or blinking green, and the fault indicator of the disc is off, the disc is successfully installed. If the fault indicator of the disc is yellow on, there are 3 reasons. The disc is not firmly inserted. Wait 1 minute before reinserting the disc. If the fault indicator of the disc is still yellow on, after you have reinserted it, the replacement disc may malfunction. Replace the disc with another one. If the fault indicator of the disc is still yellow on, after the replacement, the link of the disc slot may be down. In that case, contact technical support engineers for help.